Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
What's up guys, this is Weekend Getaways with Review Caravan. Today is 31st of December and the last day of the year 2020. And just to make this day more special, we have come all the way from Pune to Harishchandragarh. We had started our trek on 30th of December and today is the second day of trek. So let's see the journey so far. Harishchandragarh is a hill fort in the Ahmednagar district of India with its history linked with that of Malshez Ghat. The shortest and the easiest trail to reach this hill fort is via the Pachnai village. The condition of roads during the last 6 to 7 kilometers drive is very rough, dusty and full of stones with no concrete or tar road at all. So we have finally reached the parking spot at Harishchandragarh Fort and this time we'll be trekking it via the Pachnai route. And after 6.5 hours of long drive from Katraj, we have made it till this spot and we'll be starting our trek soon. It's about 1 in the afternoon now and दोपहर का धूप अभी एकदम सिर पे चढ़ चुका है एंड अभी हम चालू कर रहे हैं ये ट्रैक वाया दी पाचनाई रूट.
इस स्पीड में जाएंगे तो कितने बजे पहुंचेंगे?
पहुंच जाएंगे 6 बजे से पहले तो. So we have a very interesting group on trek this time. We are a group of 7. Journey till the first spot was long and we had taken a couple of breaks to hydrate ourselves and lessen our backpack loads. दोपहर के इस धूप में काफ़ी चलने के बाद हम हरिश्चंद्रगढ़ के एको पॉइंट तक आ पहुंचे थे. वही लेना. So we are at the echo point of the Harishchandragarh and just to demonstrate you, Tanmay will be shouting from here, so let's just listen to this. Come on. So after having walked for around 2 hours and 15 minutes, we have reached the spot where we are able to see the view of the temple from a distance. Record. Come again. 2 hours and 30 minutes we have almost made it till the Harichandreshwar temple, which is right in front of us. Various ancient scriptures like Matsya Puran, Agni Puran and Skanda Purana include many references about Harishchandragarh. Its origin is said to have been in the 6th century during the rule of Kalachuri dynasty. The citadel was built during this era. The various caves probably have been carved out in the 11th century. In these caves are the idols of Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. Though the cliffs are named Taramati and Rohidas, they are not related to Ayodhya. Great sage Changdev used to meditate here in 14th century. The caves are from the same period. So after resting for a while and after having some food, we have finally resumed our trek back again towards the Konkan Kada. And the time is 5 now, and we are expecting to reach there by 6 in the evening. So the time is 5:30 in the evening now, and we've got this lovely view of sun setting down, and we are viewing this from the Konkan Kada. In the morning now. It's a new day and it's a fresh morning, and we are heading towards Taramati Peak now from Konkan Kada. We are hoping to get some good views of Kalsubai Peak and all the other nearby ranges from over there. हमारे आगे चल रहे हैं जिनका रात में नाक बंद था एंड रात भर उसने सोने नहीं दिया था. So after having walked for around half an hour or 45 minutes into this trail, we have finally made it till the railing which leads us towards the Taramati Peak. So we have almost made it till the top of the Taramati Peak, and which is just at a few more couple of hundred steps from here. So we'll be making it there soon. We are just walking the final few steps towards the Taramati Peak. And we have finally made it till the summit of Taramati Peak, and the view is just stunning, and the wind is so strong over here. Woo! It's 2:30 in the afternoon now, and with this we have come to the end of the trek and come to the end of the year as well. So hope to meet you in the next year soon. Till then, bye bye.